Hi, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Stephanie.
And today we're going to show you how to put together your Indi full platform bed.
All you need is a rubber mallet like this, which you can buy on our website. And if you don't have one, that's okay. You can buy it
We've been doing really well.
We send you a rubber hammer cap like that, which you can put on a household hammer. And that's really all you need to get started. So
Let's do it.
let's do it.
Oops, sorry, I just hit your butt. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so the first step is to take one of your side rails and lean it against the wall and have the other person come in with your end panel and help you line up the green connectors with the slots on your end panel.
We find it easiest to line up the two bottom connectors first, like this, and then the top one will align as well. You can always use your rubber mallet if you need to tap it in. Once everything is lined up, just push down to lock into place. Attach your remaining side rail the same way.
And then push down to lock into place. And if you need a little extra help, just use your mallet. So perfect. We're just so perfect.
Okay, next you're going to attach your center partition to the headboard by lining up the green connector with the slot and pushing down to lock into place. Once everything is lined up, just push down to lock into place.
Once your center stretcher is attached, have one person hold the floating stretcher in place while the other person grabs the remaining end panel and help them line up all of the connectors.
Once everything is lined up on your three pieces, just push down at each connection to lock into place. So the last step is to just insert your mattress panels by lining up the holes on each of the three panels with the green connectors on the side rails. And once everything is lined up on each piece, you're going to push down to lock into place.
And then just get your mattress and you're done.
Yeah, and your dog and some sheets. And then you're done.